The early morning train takes me back again. Oh, I do not know your name, you're by my side. Oh, I love you, I cry from deep inside. But love is what you hide on the early morning train. I look out of the window, I look down at my shoe, at the man with the damned hair eyebrow, and secretly at you. Oh, I love you, but what am I to do? How can I get through on the early morning train? Maybe it's the train that takes me where I'm going, but baby, you're the one that shakes me without knowing. The train runs down the line, your mouth waits for a smile, but your eyes still show a sign, do not disturb. Oh, I love you, but how can I be hurt when no one says a word on the early